LOFTID is the low Earth orbit flight test of an inflatable decelerator. So it's the next flight mission of the HIAD technology, which is essentially an inflatable heat shield. It's a 6-meter heat shield, and once it re-enters Earth's atmosphere, it will actually be the largest blunt body object to re-enter Earth's atmosphere. To inflate the HIAD for where we want it to re-enter to maintain kind of your stability as you re-enter through Earth's atmosphere, you have to carry a lot of gas to make that happen. So we actually have 2 tanks that have been provided by the United Launch Alliance, who has a space act with NASA to perform this mission. They're partners with us in this, and they've provided 3 tanks. And so we're testing one of the 3 as our kind of qualification tank. And we are making sure, we saw in some of our initial analysis, that the gas contained in the tank at 3,000 psi, by the time it gets out to the 15 to 20 psi of the HIAD, the gas is actually getting very cold along the way and possibly turning liquid. So right now we're doing a blowdown test of the tank. So we'll fill it to that 3,000 psi and let it vent to atmosphere, and we'll take measurements all along the vent path and within the tank itself to see the gas temperature, to see what it's looking like. So then we use that information and data to correlate our models to get a better idea of how it's going to respond in flight. And the cool thing about HIAD is that it is actually on the new cutting edge cusp of technology for heat shields. So traditionally heat shields are made with metallics or ceramics, and they can only be, they're pretty firm. So if your rocket is about this big in diameter, your heat shield can also only be that same size. So LOFTID is interesting because it actually can compact to a much, much smaller size and then inflate to much larger than anything you would see traditionally. And this helps us in the form of drag. For example, if we're going to Mars, the atmosphere is very, very thin, and so we want to create more drag as we're coming in, so the larger heat shield enables that technology.